Welcome in maths class. We are going to solve question number 4, that is second sub question of exercise 3.2a, indefinite integral. Before these first three questions we did in the previous video, its link is provided here in the description box. So here how we solve this, it can be solved by method of substitution. So what to substitute, that we have to find out. If suppose cos square x we take common from this denominator, so we will get dx upon, we are taking cos square x common, so एक cos x बाहर आएगा और एक sin cos will be in denominator, that is sin x upon cos x plus 2, because cos square x we are taking common. Now this sin upon cos will become tan and 1 upon cos square will be sec square x. So this can be written as sec square x integral of sec square x dx upon tan x plus 2. Now derivative of tan x is sec square x, so either we substitute t is equal to tan x plus 2 or only tan x. So put t is equal to tan x plus 2, so that dt by dx is equal to sec square x and constant 2 derivative will be 0. So that our integral I will be equal to, see, sec square x into dx, that is equal to dt. See, dt will be equal to sec square x into dx. So sec square x into dx is dt. It is dt upon tan x plus 2 is equal to t, so which is t, and integral dt upon t is log t. So this is log t plus c, and our t is equal to tan x plus 2 plus c. So this will be our answer. Question number 5. See, the question number 5 is of this form: a is sin x plus 2 means what, b cos x plus c sin x plus d cos x. So it is of this type: a sin x plus b cos x, c sin x plus d cos x. So in such integral, our substitution is like this: numerator is equal to lambda into d plus mu into d dash. So what is d and d? D dash, n is for numerator, d is for denominator, and d dash is its derivative of the denominator. Here lambda and mu are the constant, which by equating the coefficients of like term we can find out the values of lambda and mu. So here our numerator is sin x plus 2 cos x, so we'll write it sin x plus 2 cos x, or numerator, lambda into denominator. So denominator is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus mu into derivative of the denominator. So derivative of denominator will be 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Then राइट हैंड साइड में हम sin x के कोएफिशिएंट्स कलेक्ट करते हैं. सो 3 इंटू लैम्बडा sin x, और यहाँ पे -4 इंटू म्यू sin x. सो वी कलेक्ट देम. इट इज 3 लैम्बडा -4 म्यू इंटू sin x प्लस, फिर अभी cos x के कोएफिशिएंट्स कलेक्ट करना है आपको. 4 लैम्बडा प्लस 3 म्यू. 4 lambda cos x, that is 4 lambda plus 3 mu, 4 lambda plus 3 mu into cos x. Then here left hand side is sin x plus 2 cos x. So coefficient of sin x, that is 3 lambda minus 4 mu. Here coefficient of sin x is 1, so therefore we equate them. So 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1, and your coefficient of cos x 4 lambda plus 3 mu, that is equal to 2. Now we solve this linear equations in lambda and mu. So if we multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 4 and add them, so that this will be 12 mu and this is 12 mu, and adding this will get cancelled. 9 plus 16, so 16 lambda is equal to 3 plus 8, 11. Then see, this is what 9 plus 16, which is 25 lambda, and this is 3 plus 8, that is 11. So therefore our lambda is equal to 11 by 25 will be your lambda. Then substitute value of lambda, or if we multiply first equation by, see, if we cancel lambda और substitute lambda in any of the equation, you will get mu. तो हमको इस इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 4 से और इसको 3 से और सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है ये इक्वेशंस, so that this will be 16 mu and 9 mu, that is 25 mu. 25 mu is equal to, this is 6 and minus 4, which will be 2. This will be 6 and 4, subtracting this equation from this equation. So we are getting 6 minus 4, which is 2, so that mu is equal to 2 upon 25. So you will be getting mu is equal to 2 upon 25. Then we have numerator is equal to what? Lambda d plus mu d. This is what our integral I, which is numerator upon denominator. Our numerator is equal to, this is our numerator, lambda d plus mu d dash. Lambda d plus mu d dash upon denominator d, so that separate it, lambda times d upon d dx, mu times, mu is a constant, d dash upon d, so that we separate it and substitute values of lambda and mu. If we substitute value of lambda and mu, see, first of all we cancel this d, ये d cancel करेंगे आप, lambda की वैल्यू है 11 upon 25, which is 11 upon 25, and integral 1 dx plus mu is 2 upon 25, and d dash upon d into dx, that is f dash of x upon fx is log fx. So this will be log of d plus c. Then integral 1 dx is x, which is 11 upon 25 x plus 2 upon 25 log of d. See, or d is equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus c. So this will be our answer. यह आंसर हम शॉर्टकट में भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं यूजिंग दिस I is equal to lambda d plus mu d dash upon d dx. Last will be lambda x इसका इंटीग्रल lambda x, this is our lambda, ये आपका lambda है, lambda x plus mu, this is what mu, log of denominator. So lambda and mu, how we can find out in short? So lambda you can find by using this, lambda is equal to, see, ये a है, this is what a, this is a, ये b है, ये c है और ये d है. So we want c square plus d square in the denominator. Denominator में क्या है? c square upon c square plus d square, that is 9 plus 16, 25 is our denominator. Then here how we get lambda? See, now a into c, so a into c will give us 1 into 3, that is 3, and b into d, that is 2 into 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 will become 11. Similarly, you can get, see how you will get this. It is AC plus BD upon C square plus D square. Then mu, how we can get? Mu is equal to BC minus AD. BC minus AD means what? 6 minus 4. So that is equal to 2. So it is 2 upon 25. Denominator will be same, 25. Denominator is what? C square plus D square. Abhi BC minus AD upon this C square plus D square. So once you are getting lambda and mu in this way, so we can simply write here lambda x. Last answer is lambda x plus mu. Mu is this log of denominator. तो डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज वी आर राइटिंग. इसमें एक गड़बड़ नहीं करना है कि ए बी सी डी. ए इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ sin x, b is coefficient of cos x in the numerator, c is coefficient of sin x, and d is coefficient of cos x in the denominator. Once you know that, so lambda and mu you can easily find out. In short, question number 6, it is of similar type. 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x. So tan को आप sin upon cos लिखते हैं. So it will be, first we simplify it. dx upon 2 plus 3 sin x upon cos x. ये हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. a sin x b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. This cos x will be goes in numerator, cos x dx 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Now it is of same form that a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. So here we write numerator is equal to lambda into d plus mu into d dash. D is denominator, d dash is derivative of the denominator, or numerator is cos x lambda into denominator, that is 3 sin x plus 2 cos x plus mu into derivative. lambda and mu are constant, आपको उसका values find करना है. So derivative of this, that is 3 cos x minus 2 sin x will be the derivative. So collect equal powers. We collect the power of coefficient of like term, that is sin x and cos x. So here this we can write as 0 sin x, means coefficient of sin x is 0. 1 cos x is equal to sin x coefficient is 3 lambda minus 2 mu. 3 lambda minus 2 mu into sin x plus 2 lambda plus 3 mu into cos x. So coefficient of sin x, coefficient of cos x. So we equate them so that 3 lambda minus 2 mu, which is coefficient of sin x, which is 0, and 2 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 1, which is coefficient of cos x. Now if we multiply this by 3 and this by 2 and add them, so that this will be 6 mu and this is 6 mu, we add them, and 9 plus 4 it is 13. Therefore 13 lambda, this is 4 and this is 9. 9 plus 4 13, lambda is equal to 2. So that lambda is equal to 2 upon 13. We substitute in this equation lambda is equal to 2 upon 13, because this equation is this 3 lambda is equal to 2 mu. Lambda we substitute 2 upon 13. So it is 3 into lambda is 2 upon 13 is equal to 2 mu. So that this 2 we get cancelled, and mu is equal to 3 upon 13. This is what mu. You are getting lambda and mu. So we substitute here I is equal to numerator upon denominator, that is lambda d plus mu d dash upon d. Separate it, lambda d will get cancelled, it is 1 dx mu d dash upon d. So इसके आगे लैम्बडा और म्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है हमको. So which is lambda is equal to 2 upon 13. So which will be 2 upon 13, which is lambda 1 dx plus mu is 3 upon 13 d dash upon d. its integration is log d. इसका इंटीग्रेशन x आएगा 2 upon 13x 3 upon 13 log of d. log of d means what? log of आपका d जो है it is, what is our d? See, after simplifying what we are getting here, so that d is equal to, see, we simplify it, then we are getting d is equal to what? Cos x in numerator 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So or d is equal to this 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So log of that, so that will be 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus c. This will be our answer. Lambda into 1 dx, that is lambda x plus mu into log of d. So our denominator is not this. ये denominator नहीं है हमारा. Denominator after simplifying. So after simplifying this, you are getting denominator 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So this is the denominator. So this will be your answer. Question number 7. Question number 7 इस फॉर्म में है a e raised to power x plus b upon c e raised to power x plus d. You can compare this equation with this integral with this integral. यहाँ पे 4 e raised to power x मतलब a e raised to power x plus b, फिर ये c e raised to power x plus d. So ऐसे इंटीग्रल में हम we will use this equation, same equation, n is equal to lambda d plus mu d dash. Lambda और mu क्या है? Constants which we have to find. और d is denominator, d dash is derivative of the denominator, n is the numerator. So we equate them. 4 e raised to power x minus 25 is our numerator, that is equal to lambda into d. Denominator 2 e raised to power x minus 5 is the denominator, plus mu into derivative of the denominator. Derivative of this is 2 e raised to power x and constant है तो 0. So that we can compare coefficient of e raised to power x and constant term. तो इसको आगे सॉल्व करते हैं तो it is 2 lambda into e raised to power x minus 5 lambda plus 2 mu e raised to power x. You can take e raised to power x common, so that it will be 2 times lambda plus mu into e raised to power x minus 5 lambda, or left hand side is 4 e raised to power x minus 25. So that coefficient of e raised to power x 2 lambda plus 2 mu is equal to 4, and the constant term is minus 5 lambda, which is minus 25. So therefore minus 5 lambda is equal to minus 25. So that lambda is equal to 5. We are getting lambda is equal to 5. Then 2 lambda plus 2 mu, 2 times lambda plus mu is equal to 4. Coefficient of e raised to power x. Coefficient of e raised to power x, here coefficient of e raised to power x is 4. So that this 2 is getting cancelled. Here it is 2. Lambda plus mu is 2. lambda plus mu is equal to 2, but our lambda is 5, therefore mu is equal to 2 minus 5, which is minus 3. You are getting lambda is equal to 5 and mu is equal to minus 3. Now once we are getting lambda and mu, here we are getting lambda is equal to 5 and mu is equal to minus 3. Now we use I, that is integral I. This is numerator, this is denominator, and numerator we express as lambda d plus mu d dash. So lambda d plus mu d dash is our numerator and this is denominator. Separate करेंगे हम. Lambda is constant outside the integral, d upon d, then d upon d is getting cancelled, 1 dx it is, plus mu d dash upon d, f dash of x upon fx is log fx integral, so that this integral will be lambda, or lambda is 5, which is 5 1 dx plus mu is our minus 3 integral d dash upon d dx, so that it is 5x minus 3 log of d. So what is our d? Denominator is this 2 e raised to power x, 2 e raised to power x minus 5 plus constant of integration c. So this will be the answer. You can get lambda and mu in shortcut. How we can get lambda and mu in shortcut? Simply lambda you can get by dividing, this is what, a, b, c and d. So this ratio, that is ratio of constant, minus 25 and minus 5. So minus 25 and minus 5, that will be lambda, or lambda is equal to what? C upon d, and mu is equal to lambda minus, see here we are getting lambda plus mu is equal to 2. 2 is nothing but 4 upon 2. 4 is this a upon c. So lambda minus mu. So it is, we are getting mu is equal to, we are getting mu is equal to a upon c. So a upon c means what? It is 2 and minus lambda. So it is a upon c. This is b. Lambda is what? This is b. B upon d is lambda, and mu is equal to a upon c minus lambda. So a is 4 and c is 2. So 4 upon 2 is 2 and minus lambda. Lambda we are getting what? 5. So this 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. So that is mu. So by using this shortcut method also we can solve this type of questions. Question number 8. Again it is a e raised to power x plus b upon c e raised to power x plus d form. So हम shortcut method से इसको ऐसे evaluate कर सकते हैं. Lambda x plus mu log d plus c, where lambda and mu are given by lambda is what? b upon d. ये आपका b है, ये d है. So b upon d will give us 5. This is our lambda. Then mu. So mu is a upon c. ये आपका a है 12 and c is what? 3. So 12 upon 3 will give us 4 minus lambda, that is equal to 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. So mu is equal to minus 1, and finally इसका answer we will get within very short steps. We will get lambda x. Lambda x मतलब 5x, और mu is minus 1 minus log of d. So log of d is equal to 3 raised to power x plus 4 plus constant of integration c, which we can do in multiple choice questions only, but in board exam we can't do this. So we will solve it by method. Method कैसे find करेंगे? Lambda, see numerator we will write as numerator is equal to lambda d plus mu d dash. Numerator is 12 e raised to power x plus 20 and that is equal to lambda d. So lambda d means this is denominator, so lambda into d, denominator is 3 raised to power x plus 4 plus mu into derivative of the denominator, mu into derivative of the denominator, इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा 3 raised to power x और ये कांस्टेंट है, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा. So on 3 lambda and 3 mu, taking e raised to power x common, so 12 e raised to power x plus 20 will be equal to 3 lambda plus 3 mu and into e raised to power x plus 4 lambda. This 4 lambda is constant, we equate with the constant, so that 4 lambda is equal to 20 lambda is equal to 5 we are getting, and coefficient of e raised to power x 3 lambda plus 3 mu is 12, that is lambda plus mu is equal to 4 dividing by 3, and or lambda is 5, so therefore mu will be equal to 4 minus lambda, that is 5, it is minus 1. So once after getting lambda or mu is equal to minus 1 we are getting, lambda is 5 we are getting, तो आपका इंटीग्रल I will be equal to n numerator upon denominator, that is lambda d plus mu d dash upon d dx, which is lambda integral d upon d dx plus mu d dash upon d dx. Now this d is getting cancelled, it is lambda x plus mu log of t plus c, lambda is 5x and mu is equal to minus 1 minus log of d. What is our d? 3 raised to power x plus 4 plus c, that is the answer. So 5x minus log of 3 raised to power x plus 4 plus c will be the answer of this question. In the next video we will do remaining questions. Thank you for watching.